Welcome back to the Weather Centre, everyone. There have been thunderstorms developing today over parts of central South Africa, including the northwest, some areas in the Free State and the Eastern Cape. But we've been focusing much of our attention once again to the northeast of the country, where we have heavy rainfall that's been taking place in the last couple of days. And there is still some heavy downpours developing over parts of Limpopo, Gauteng, as well as into Mpumalanga. So please do take care if you're going to be driving through these areas over the rest of today, as heavier downpours will still be likely into tonight and the early hours of tomorrow morning. And for this reason, the South African Weather Service has issued a watch for the potential of heavy rain over the Lowveld and the adjacent escarpment. Moving ahead to our synoptic analysis, clearly indicating high rainfall intensities over those areas. It gradually starts easing off over Mpumalanga late tonight, but into the early hours of tomorrow morning, there'll still be some heavy downpours taking place over Limpopo in particular. Rain will also make its way up the east coast over the next day or so. A mostly cloudy and wet day for many parts of KwaZulu-Natal tomorrow. And on Wednesday afternoon, more thunderstorms developing on the high velds, including Gauteng, but it is expected to be a drier day tomorrow for many areas in Limpopo and Mpumalanga. But for tonight, we still have widespread showers and thunderstorms over those areas, scattered into Gauteng as well as into parts of the KZN interior, but isolated for the Free State. That includes Bloemfontein for this evening. A few thunder showers still possible for the Eastern Cape, while along the south coast, only light rain in the forecast. That does include some areas in the Garden Route. Winds overnight, mostly light over the eastern parts of the country. Some wind over the western interior, but mostly windy weather expected for parts of the west coast. It's already becoming quite windy around Cape Town. Those winds actually start to increase in strength during the course of tomorrow, especially in the afternoon, where we could have winds up to 60 kilometers per hour around the peninsula. Let's move ahead to your temperatures. And once again, it will be very warm over the far eastern parts of the country. Durban with a minimum temperature of 24 degrees, milder on the high velds, but in general, places remaining above the 15-degree mark. For tomorrow, temperatures climb into the upper 30s for many areas in the Northern Cape, but things cooling down as you head further eastwards. Lots of cloud and the continuation of some rain, keeping temperatures in the mid-20s on the Highveld, as well as into Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Heading into Thursday, we see more wet weather in the forecast. Lots of cloud for Polokwane and Bombela, while thunderstorms return to the Northern and Eastern Cape. And on Friday, a cold front could bring some rain to Cape Town, while it remains wet across much of the interior.